Today we're doing a build in the Fractal North case. If you want your own custom build, then fill out the form on our website and we'll get right back to you. For the CPU, we went with an i7-13700F. For our RAM, we went with 32 gigs of DDR5 Corsair Vengeance RAM. And for the cooler, we kept it stock. This client did not want any RGB, so to keep it within budget, we kept it with the stock cooler. For our M.2, we went with a 2TB NVMe SSD. Removing the sticker from the M.2 to make sure that there is contact with the thermal pad on the heatsink. This case did not come with an included rear exhaust fan, which was quite disappointing. Time to install our power supply. We went with an 850 watt power supply. That is more than enough to keep the components going. And for the hard drive, it is just a 2TB hard drive. Time to install all of the power cables and also the front I/O cables. This case really does come with nice cable managing solutions. Time to install the front I/O, always the best part in any build. That was sarcasm, it's not. And for the graphics card, we went with a 4070. Aesthetics wise, I think it really ties the build together really nicely with that black and gray. Let me know what you think down below. And as this build comes to a close, a moment of silence for the peel. If you would like your very own gaming computer, or if you would like a custom build, please go visit our website, and if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.